Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome back. Your ultimate destination for home inspiration and style tips. Today, we're diving into the world of wooden sofas, but not just any wooden sofas. We're talking about the perfect fusion of styles, simple, modern, the foundation of wooden sofa design. The story of the wooden sofa begins with its roots in functional simplicity. These sofas were crafted from local hardwoods and featured straightforward structures with minimal ornamentation. Over time, as design philosophies evolved, wood became a canvas for artistic expression, incorporating carvings, inlays, and decorative elements. Modern wooden sofas owe much of their appeal to this historical foundation. By blending the clean lines of traditional designs with contemporary innovations, today's pieces strike a balance between form and function. Global influences in wooden sofa design. The fusion of styles in modern wooden sofas is a testament to global design influences. Designers have drawn inspiration from various cultural aesthetics, integrating elements that celebrate tradition while embracing modern sensibilities. Scandinavian minimalism. Scandinavian design is synonymous with simplicity and functionality. Wooden sofas inspired by this style often feature light-colored woods like birch or ash, paired with neutral upholstery in sleek, unembellished forms. These designs emphasize comfort and practicality, making them ideal for modern, minimalist interiors. Japanese Zen aesthetics. Japanese design contributes a sense of harmony and balance to wooden sofa styles. Low-profile seating, clean lines, and natural finishes characterize these pieces. The concept of wabi-sabi, or finding beauty in imperfection, is reflected in the use of raw or unfinished wood, which adds warmth and authenticity. Rustic and farmhouse charm. Rustic wooden sofas, inspired by colonial and farmhouse styles, bring a touch of nostalgia to modern homes. These designs often incorporate reclaimed wood, visible grain patterns, and sturdy construction. The fusion of rustic charm with modern upholstery creates a cozy yet contemporary look. Mid-century modern elegance. Mid-century modern design, popularized in the 1940s and 1950s, continues to influence wooden sofa styles. Characterized by tapered legs, curved edges, and minimalist frames, these sofas blend wood with modern materials like fabric or leather. Their timeless appeal makes them a favorite choice for eclectic and transitional interiors. The role of materials in fusion design. The choice of materials plays a crucial role in achieving a fusion of styles. Modern wooden sofas often combine traditional hardwoods like oak, teak, or walnut with innovative materials such as metal, glass, or synthetic fabrics. Reclaimed and sustainable wood. The growing emphasis on sustainability has led to the use of reclaimed wood in modern designs. This material not only adds character and uniqueness but also aligns with eco-conscious values. The imperfections and weathered textures of reclaimed wood enhance the sofa's rustic appeal while contrasting beautifully with sleek, modern forms. Mixed materials. To achieve a truly fusion style, designers experiment with mixed materials. For instance, a wooden sofa frame might feature metal accents or upholstered cushions in bold, contemporary patterns. This combination creates a dynamic interplay between traditional and modern elements. Design elements that define fusion sofas. The fusion of styles in wooden sofas is achieved through thoughtful design elements that bridge the gap between tradition and innovation. Clean lines with organic forms. Modern wooden sofas often feature clean, geometric lines that evoke simplicity. However, these are softened by organic forms, such as curved armrests or rounded edges, inspired by nature. This blend of sharp and smooth creates visual interest while maintaining a sense of balance. Neutral palettes with bold accents. Neutral tones, such as natural wood finishes and soft beige or gray upholstery, form the foundation of many modern wooden sofas. To add a contemporary twist, designers incorporate bold accents like brightly colored cushions, metallic hardware, or patterned fabrics. Modular and customizable designs. Fusion-style wooden sofas often prioritize versatility. Modular designs allow homeowners to rearrange seating configurations to suit their needs, while customizable options enable them to select materials, finishes, and upholstery that reflect their personal style. Adapting to modern lifestyles. The fusion of styles in wooden sofas is not just about aesthetics, it also reflects the demands of modern living. Today's designs cater to smaller urban spaces, multifunctional requirements, and a desire for sustainable, durable furniture. Space-saving solutions. Modern wooden sofas are designed with compact dimensions and streamlined profiles, making them ideal for apartments and smaller homes. Some models include built-in storage or convertible features, such as pull-out beds, to maximize functionality. Durability and longevity. Wooden sofas are celebrated for their durability, with solid wood frames that can withstand years of use. This longevity aligns with contemporary values of reducing waste and investing in quality pieces that stand the test of time. The appeal of fusion-style wooden sofas. The simple and modern wooden sofa's appeal lies in its versatility and timelessness. By combining elements from various styles, these sofas can seamlessly integrate into a range of interior designs, from minimalist to eclectic. Their ability to balance traditional craftsmanship with contemporary innovation makes them a favorite choice for homeowners seeking furniture that is both functional and artistic. The fusion of styles in simple and modern wooden sofas reflects a rich history of design evolution. By blending global influences, sustainable materials, and innovative techniques, these pieces offer a harmonious balance between tradition and modernity. Whether inspired by Scandinavian minimalism, Japanese Zen, or mid-century elegance, today's wooden sofas cater to diverse tastes and lifestyles. Their adaptability, durability, and aesthetic appeal make them a timeless addition to any home, embodying the perfect union of simplicity and sophistication. And that's a wrap on today's journey through the fusion of styles in simple and modern wooden sofas. I hope you found this video inspiring and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who love interior design. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite style of wooden sofa? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.